Ghana dish my mammy Mamunina Che Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. You may dear friend Sompa Rhapsody, a Breno and a Asono. Media said my perfect baby diapers and on a winner be out the bow bar, Natchessa 1 year barbro, every permit Shimudia Mammo. Joe's bread and pastries, woman that did just hot kinky abba, who say we a kinky party, way a year documa to no wholesale. One more Joe's bakery or more Dome commercial bank at Chiho. 21st clinic, a sciatica expert, woman so a cajon and an ear cornakrana. And I'm a very special woman, a woman temha. Meneno e baba bedin komo, a woman of God. May I be telling the story na asha day. A best strengthen with faith nit it through. A bema wonin yamian nanti ube build with personal intimacy with God. A bema focus on your assignment and so. And common be bema focus on your assignment. Who shall bonkum who shall nifa. Na bema wujidian so etimi enyine. Me wo Reverend Veronica Esiedu ewa ha. Me ne be chichim komo Sompa Rhapsody. Wo betimi a join ye live ye Facebook page no. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ye wo live Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. And na YouTube Sompa FM live. YouTube Sompa FM live. Ye TikTok page ye be chichane nyina e de ato ho. And no say wo call Sompa Accra 106.5 FM a wo benya ye wo ho. Enti frɛ obi no obi mfrɛ obi. Na ne brabe tie. And come on, many woman of God, the ebabedie. One shot, the beauty no ebe deceive, ebe dadao. Na who offend no be dadao. But na who offend and the spirit cry F more as sing in the pediano cry. Oh, sweet spirit and oh, a sweet soul. So it's meditative for Seminko. Reverend Veronica. I see you, me pacho, me muakwaba.
Yeah.
Good. Me pacho me muakwaba Sompa Rhapsody anopei. Yeah, that's it. And I mean, no bedding come office. I mean, encounter on Ujidi and Kuta on an odd thing. Who faint in a dear and Messa Comich. Mamma shall say, we are dear and infant of fee.
Me fita ready. Me a fanti.
Okay.
Me a fanti. Obi baby say na kala we dia wo fa free him fa. Me nana be great grandmother.
Okay.
Ne e wari Portuguese.
Okay.
No owo me grandmom. And my grandmom so ko wari Bruni, English Bruni from UK, from Yorkshire. Not no woman mommy. And my papa be a Ghanaian.
Oh, why?
In time Adena mix bisa.
Okay. Oh, okay. Auntie Nama we kokono. Okay. Eto o papa e free he.
Me papa free takrade but oyenzima.
Okay, oyenzima. Okay. Now mama de takrade ho na.
Yes.
Ono so e free.
Ono so ne great grandmother ne mama and my great grandmother yenzima.
Okay. Yeah. O childhood experience net say usano na a family a mama ne papa ne tie and I say a broken family a blended family. What childhood net saying?
Oh, na me papa ne mama tie as it na moti together.
Okay, nice. Almost still married.
Yes.
Na mo yen kwada do say?
Yes, 6 but I have step. Yeah, 5 but I have step.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now what else to say?
Me last born.
Hey. Last born for smooth to be mo de ba.
Me last born.
Na home no na ye lovely home ma me ne papa te but ye home o papa obetimi akono o ma me betimi akono o ye free ananse na ye home na ye very restricted na mo fie ti say.
Well, na me papa is ofo. Me papa is bishop. Na one of the late presidents in bishop prophet.
Okay.
Mentuza metumi abonidi.
Obetimi abonidi.
Ni di Achampon.
Okay.
Me Achampon later President Achampon the prophet.
Okay.
And you know, I was brought up in a Christian way. And they're very strict. My dad in Casa, but he was very strict.
Wow.
My mom not defe nkwala, but my dad was very strict.
Okay.
Now my grandmom so very strict because I grew up with my grandmom.
All right. Okay. What co school in?
Me call Topridge. Me call Topridge, which is Takrady primary school. And maybe we was Snaps College.
Okay. All right. Oye kokko na woda we say woda bibifuo mu yenya ye tuntum na kokko kakra tuatua mu no na o skin no say that we kokko yi na discriminate in a way and asa nipa bi hwehwe wana na it say how who say o skin affect you e wo woni nipa relationship mu ana
oh am affect me say na obi apese o baby
obi apɛ oba kokko
obi apese o baby mu say my but apart from obi apese o baby no obi aso fi say me kire me ho. This I will bear me. And
son who say, a beer or ye
and onye. But do be a fist because now the way I'm here, my dear. But we'll get you closer to me and no say, son, or easy sow or easy going when you will be a otisa.
Okay, all right. Now we will be a open now for some. Say usano be a girls and I said now we will be a we are very quiet we are introvert extrovert oh the name and now we are a little bit loud to say me na me introvert extrovert ni bi oh the net to say
me extrovert
okay
me extrovert me pardon for but me pardon for sir
okay
but na me pardon for but madam for ina nkwala na ebe mu nti de bia na me papa ka say eh na wo bi ba be bodo a ube bi do na nkola nkwa na eba na wo de won fa adamfo mu yempanyimfo da nkola nkwa nkola bempa
okay all right usane de na wo pese wo ye daachi de me so na pese me ye teacher ni wo de na wo pese wo ye daachi
me to be honest me papa na decide ma me so pese me ye air hoster pese me ye lawyer pese me obobo din bebre ma me ankasa pese no me peduane ni apa ya nkyere me and you know, I enjoy cooking. And you know, okay, by bedroom no now you keep Piama Kesha Secretariat. So I secretariat by force.
Okay.
But a drew on so no, because yes, secretariat no. So now I say, Modi me to accounting class and secretariat. But on your final year no, oh the obe passing your dobeko. Near me pass the accounting, near me accounting class. Near me accounting class no. After me hear me result, Mr. Mangasa me accounting, Mr. Secretariat, but I say nka who say enye ho na nka ma ho odin wo because they drew class no kra na e do short hand me ngwa class na ma report or say but me who say sana my ho di ni ho.
Okay.
My ho di no but my wo phone I say me konti.
Obeko. Edi afutu na wode be ma parent bi a wo tie fi say problem no enya nko na wo face ye mi so me papa so pese me koye soldier any ade obi a ya na parents do do na pese wo mama no ekoye course a wo as they want to live their dream through you.
Yes.
Or no pese wo ye ayi say wo ye engineer wo ye doctor dey na afutu be na de be ma parent bi a wo tie wo fi say that wo kan wo pa aduane no e bi anka do ko catering school a enka bi anka far gone cry ba enu fi say ho na wo passion wo ba wo ye de kaka say wo pese wo ye caterer afutu be na ye babo ye be ka say enu so wo de ye den eti afutu be na de be ma parent bi a wo tie wo the be ya be mo be man kwala ne kwan na de akoda ne gise ne passion wo no ebetimi afise me gidi say enam se na ompe course no to face challenges kakra na ompe se obekọ class kra enam afutu be na wo de be ma
ye meka kire parents mun ja mo an mon kasa no mun decide ye mo pese mo ye mun ja mo because what ka say dia wo no because what I've realized say parents ni bebre wo ho a I say the moment to me anya ni nti no na ma push akwala nso onye because when to me anya nti muka say me ba me to me anya doctor nti say me ba we ye we enya sa ono so one path nti mun jai pay nkwala no mun decide mun spend time with nkwala no na mun bisa say then na opesa we deep down men dream say madam we pesa ye mechanic and answer pesa doctor nti uso pesa ye bi search what the child is really want to do wo hwe na ho odi a won study nkwala no but mo pose we dem pese o ye lawyer we dem emfa because we be kwasa na fida akwala na sa ba na akwala is not happy na akwala na timid mun jai no mun jamo na mun spend time catches mun sa akwala na ye good say or to me bottle insuo na musilia just push it to that direction so no benya sike from me jano but our before no our traditional and ma nkwalanye too timid they can't even speak up they can't even speak up
I didn't handle but o ye de koka
o ka kasa si aka say we akwala boni ka wanu tum
ya kasa na wo kasa pani kasa na wo kasa
no monka because nyansa ni nipa ba ku ntem although we akwala na ba no maybe akwala can speak wisdom to you akwala can speak to me who say mo hye nkwala no so
you mo
share so too much and me no mo share me so sa when I went out na ama my ye basa but din I said na me nkasa bibia na hye mu then I had low blood pressure then I began to speak out and when my mom baba sray no I say in sraba na wusuma intesa na den na move
Adana said why loud
to be honest you didn't know me make a change please when I woman mommy but he didn't know me the reason why he didn't know me because he didn't take your time to know me why you busy far away you didn't know me into parents one steady nkwala no no what they want no one tie free or so because almost more feelings
yes
one tie no one channel to the right part
beautiful submission come up a very powerful statement me this say your bate bi na say wutia fire adwuma tie wo ba no bebre na enkora no munim ye o munim ye parent no odwe say wo ba no unim no unini ni nkomo akora no ntimi fa wadamfo akora no ntimi nka na asem nkyerɛw obi abuse no kra wo ntimi nka nkyerɛw so obi abuse no bibi ha na wo ntimi nka waye depress wo ntimi nka fi say dabi akwada de wonim nyansa but akwada no so watenka
onyansa
onso ye nipa
onyansa from onim nyansa from sense mami yem nti na oti bibia ekoso bia onim nyansa nti na muntumi open up na obehu say ebinum kwa na makwa join gang makwa ka shi we akaje because na parents ni tie dia moka no but that kind of crowd no etie they communicate and they tie obi kwa na sam kotudwa say na me mami yemi say na papa
no
wacheche ne re that's the reason why majority of them no are in a gang and mushi we that the yenti omo ni embom ni yem mom tough love yen kasa me yen mom tough love but yem embrace omo yenti omo e woman ya tena mo ate form say so and then yen kasa then na opesa wo ye wa brabo then na opesa wo ye then na wusua ebi wo ade amaka che say ye no untumi enye then na wanka sa opasa wo ye
Yeah.
sisi na adwuma bia ye adwuma
Ampa enukre.
adwuma bia ye adwuma first na obeka just a lawyer doctor no mama adwuma but sisi ano anything that you put your hands on and you focus on it, you know, you'll be able to earn money from it.
What can tough love? What patches say? We see, yeah, apply tough love any day.
Tough love ne say, man, yani gidi. E wo mo a wo release your mo kakra, wo mo na why na ha kakra. No watia no kakra.
Okay.
No we ja no kakra. No wa hwa ade. E say de bia de be see. E say akola no kra ne ninji.
Ne say what combine a freedom, but at the same time restrictions.
Exactly.
Unya ni pana sa.
No.
Wo ma wo ja ne kakra. Wo mo anso na wa say. But you study.
Yeah, no one we put it on check. I can't say, me papa, because I don't be free. I won't have no. Into the bones what free kakra. Into I say, woman catch say, me shall fix up. No one will say, hey, daddy, no mommy, musha me all the time on tea. Mammy, your way. Into no, I say, woman, you need course I am baby. Always very difficult when it comes to African per se. The way they bring their children up. A man here, we are timid. We are timid. They can't even speak out. What was a bibi hanesh na shin musa and the issues that shin musa no on the benin or the be warrior. Na fedi sa e ya woni ade na shim no why stand to nkwala no so. Into say ono so na mma no why stand no so ye the same thing. No so ye the same thing. Who can be say daddy why you try just say oh you when I was little I used to do this mu de mwanya no no I see just you are transferring a lot of scar almost na generation na still na ekoso we need to stop we need to stop because it's not funny at all.
Entina wujiri say e bibi fon kwada ye ni confidence no.
Ye ni confident. Would the brony bebe ti ho na would the bibi ni bebe so the confident you know abrafo they are outspoken.
Assertive.
Then I said because your mind na ye won ho o tu bebe jina dad what you're doing is not good I don't like it. Obeba be catch up plane.
On pencil
said dad you are this obetu bebe jo catch dad you're being biased. Kona ko kakatre yanka say kromo for say you are being biased obe answer no baby one no so toro kra ko wanim answer no be no
ya bo wani so
no bo wani so
adan ya wabusa maame asem it am ya timid.
Yes, you are very timid.
A big problem because who ka katre bibini say don't be stupid. Okay say me no ka say me kwase ano. But who catch brony say don't be sure say menye kwase a won yawo. Okay, there's a difference. I say don't be. One can just say you are. Okay. One difference in time very ye chromo for na ye wa man kwala na very timid. We need to stop it. But e bin so ka say outside no nkwada no ama nkwada no so asai ya ma mu too much freedom enti no e be kwa ben ye be fa so e betimi ya balance say the tough love now ye betimi ya balance sa discipline no any freedom at this obetimi akira wadwene bibi ha obetimi aka but at the same time him say akwada de ejimi bata na koma ho kakra and spare the rod and spoil the child it is say ye done e ho nem say parents ne ye hu ye ubehu obi no the extreme side we jai say de ebi ma jai akola na no discipline nothing and obi so ho a na discipline den eti ekwambe na wujiri sense of mama yebetimi a balance no eti discipline beba at the same time no me ma kwama wo express ho ebede na bo parent bi mama
onen na when na a tough love ne comes you need to balance it out because ye we emba wono ho but oba ha say na the way they are ha say no yetiti omo ha mo anwo omo ha but o shape no oh hello auntie hello uncle so you have to blend it in because it depends how you it goes on to me grand copy no eja kwala manako and that comes because mo de sa mentality na mo di free hasen na mo de akọ e ko training mo ma intino it comes down the same thing because mo ko training kwala na de me papa ye me ni de me mama ye mo na mo de akọ ko training kwala na wo how does it work I say mo picky one so kakra.
So fa we kakra. No fa we so kakra. No aye balance. Ye die ne say extreme discipline no. There be ye be fa de ye wo mu no. Na abi ya ubusa asema ne ya bowasum kama no tum akwada penifo kasa.
Na wo ka bi.
Wo be ka che be obi say wo be ka che me say wo ye depressed. Ka wano tum. Ka wano tum. But say wo tie, e di enti na wo say wo di areho. But at the same time no so no ma no sa freedom no na wo de discipline ka wana balance. E no ne friend tough love no. Akola bi ehia sa tough love no.
Obi ehia, akola bi ehia.
Okay. Me da se pa wo sa efutu a wo dia metie for me ka wo say me ne Reverend Veronica Esiedu e na etwetwe nkomo na ye di very powerful conversation wo your bartender say wuti a fa ye adwuma tough love enja kwada no ana kwada na sei na on tia no otro tantrum se kakra bia de opa bia na de ama no bibia na wo gya ne sa e ba sa emboa and at the same time ye tetede no a wan huru nkukuo mu a ye musa asa na ade nti na wan huru mu nkase bia na metie me ya da bi na wakyere mu die nti da bi e ba ya hu nkukuo nim pa Reverend mama wasre o amo de ni ya o
Hey papa
ya nkukuo ni na so bu no papa
enye
me grandma de aba na me dad
that's so futu ne pa so for mama e den say ye wo Ghana e den na wo kopie UK
me ye den na mo kopie UK ensam bi ho a me de be sha da ka
mate e bi o de fa wo de bi o afasi e nya
e bi o de be sha da ka
e bi o de afasi e bi o
me ye den na mo kopie UK man plan say me ko kopie UK
okay
because now I had it all
okay e wa ha
but although I had it all no deep down I wasn't happy because I had maybe about 6 sisters and Karina and Mema until I said me the Mema I wasn't happy to extend say many last born a woman into sanka me bata obi hu
okay
na enuanom no mumu ni ko me hu I say me be me papa pet baby okobi am diniti tim me das no tutu ko pa nto tutu kwan say na me pese me di na echi ni ntino na ka say o pese o ma metina fie na me monitor nya ba bi ma no
no man information
last
born for na konsa
because me dey say me na gata bi wo mu ani alewa
mo na wudi konsa ma me be fie papa be fie mo na be ma extensive report say ya na mo ho ahi no
ye ho ahi nti no be ye ahi o tewa na on be so no be ko ti waka che se obi obeka po atum ye fe ko nyata obi obeka po atum loud bia na wa chere di na ba ka fa pe wa ba paper tete na metress pa
na o chro
metress pa because the whole family na I say me na me go school na I say me result ba first nko
okay
and they be ba first na so o tie o mo na ka say we dey me issue we dey o pass be mo krama Akosua until me face krama so to Akosua me ni aje nti o ma me dwuma na be me de
okay
na me ye na me nim says edwuma no de ama me no sa na me nuam no me fatan
e wo mo ho
me nim
obey Joseph who di konkonsa at the same time so wo sanso wo so your last born wo so school not distinction now wo sake come ho asem that is super wasem
ba ko pe na mo ya na waka chisa na mo ya na sa na watwe me oba ba ko pe na daddy ni wo say na I say oba na motenatena wo onu sisi ya na me ko pe odu ono na oba no na wo epia meti e di ama the next one epia meti mpia meti ko na makwa follow the last person into no the things are normal but honestly it's an abuse it's an abuse because a good time in my life now I needed somebody to talk to because I thought I have sisters and I wanted to speak to them but obi epia me and the only one I can confide passed away you know I became it's like oko woman make us we akwala born it said they are making and I went through a lot at the age of 4 I went through abuse and I couldn't speak because oka kape I say we akwala born and that's what Ghanaian mothers and parents so be your bibi cry na won't mean konka kan oka just we akwala born we then hu ye then e koso what I say and which we need to stop untie nkwala no muntie nkwalan because bibika munya nkwala as soon as they get from the age of 2 even 1 kronim di oka
yeah
onim di oka muntie. And it was like that. And at me giant me bibia aka me mu me kra didn't know until it became card some bi wo me mu a
asa wo habone ma bebre wo mu.
So the reason why I became strong, the only thing was to follow my dad. Or beach dinichi. And he had a cross, a statue behind his in the altar room. And when he took it, I took it and put it in the corner of my room. So the only thing I just go and kneel and pray. Because I didn't have anybody.
You be a become as much no. Sabra now how many years?
About 4.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So I was going through a lot. Then mo de me go to a boarding school which is Toppridge. Me be yare pa. And I'm yi me ba afie. Me ne me brother ni chi ba na me no. Mo yi mba me day student. And be day student e drum bi na afede. Me dad be years so person ni kwonto sign the yen ko to or the yen movie ko school Obri primary school. It was a woko simintim. Takrade. Near by be day student e one office no. Because na me dad etutu kwan. Na me dad tutu kwan so no yesi man. Into no see man for dear. Baby drop baby obe si answer no be so for no see man. Baby obe do bia no mo bia left. Man left. Into no. Ono so na into no obe ye obe sign. Ono so na lifestyle no was similar to his. Into ono so be sign na nsanom. Ono so be sign na obe ye you know. Na I say wabe so calm.
Okay.
Who couldn't talk about say munjai, you know, that kind of thing. So wabe so calm. So started on otutu kwine. My mom say I was ame no dinichi. Baby obe kubia no dichi. So we end up with our grandmom. The grandmom not here till munya car kwensha, then we came back. Yeba your parents were back. So I had a very tough when I went to Snap college, then it happened say my dinichi man no ye wo no UK.
Okay.
It happens I have to go and enjoy my sister Penny ekoi ni chibe mi no koi na my brother so koi na happens say me mbese na me kaka omo honestly UK life was a journey and it was a
it does a who said we seem to describe the cry would you cause have been now or how many no one when you feel say
me 18
wow
birthday UK
now we a young lady
17 with no father, no mother.
Yeah.
Life on his own. And the siblings are more women, nice, like everybody's fighting. Obia time for you. So I have to fight myself through.
Wow.
Afflictions.
Our foreign land.
Yes. Me susa. Na makatna bus stop. It get to a point that it was snowing. My friend Papa say, mint na habium. Me da so then say ye wa say ye did all right, we are okay unto me abra back, but me hwe super say me san ba back when you me every secondary school na ma ba me friends say ma ba brocha me kwei me kwa kaka den into I might as well stay here and fight and see what God takes
has for you. Wow. What can say affliction e wo fa niemem at that young age enema be na wo fa mu that time no
nyama me fam because I was abused
yeah
obi you know when a seed has been sown it's like it becomes a routine it's like a bomb must obi hu a on say ono no kind of story woman because ono you humanizing to woman into feel say
yes
so it becomes a routine say obi hu a the same kind of thing. But God took me so well. So do you know what I said to God? I was sitting at the bus stop. I said, "Dio bon samano epesa meyano imbamuda."
Yeah, menye
da. No matter what, metsna has him. Menye da. Even say me da outside krameda, but sadi anedi menye da. So I keep on rejecting whatever I've been sown years back. Because now I say a frefrew.
Yeah, a frefrew.
I keep on rejecting it. And Michelle, apart from rejecting it, Michelle makes she say, hey, then I make Papa Becca.
Yeah.
Because I say we go busu any numas then. So I keep on rejecting it.
Reverend. Nyame ehira eye den na ewom se na papa ye sofo de utimi benya gidie ewo nyame musa wo papa uhu se ya na obo mpaye no ntina e ma ne ba sa na say den na I want to find out kwan afa so wo ne nyame be ye ayonkofa sa intimacy no e ba e tore bi kra fine wo sakra ye de wo be Sunday school ni ade but nyame nam ha na so nam ha wo ye de wo pe e de na see wo life mu a e ma God became your everything on ne be ye wo bibia e de na see
because I was rejected. You know, rejected me. No, I didn't have any because I abuser. I was raped at the age of 4.
Hey.
So the people and the family that I wanted to speak to, they didn't want to know. So I have to keep it, and the only thing I have to keep it in his head because mean to me make a fight and for me so make catch no.
Yeah.
Because what's am beko?
Eshewumu at the age of 4.
Into fire me. Say me bibia because the only person I obetumi etie me. Into my make catch and say Jesus had disciples 72. Or drop on me na e mane beka 3 ne kra na edi nechi no. Okọ ge sami so kwa ko bompa oba na mai de mo adeda. Mo ntumi kra watching it back. Into dey biam this
ene ma wo gidie wo nyame mu ne ye
kese. Look at the people that he fed.
Yeah.
Almost one ebe catch on some mukuno.
Age 4, nipa kono repu no kai no.
We're free mo. And there is not only even that, no. My dad had the nephews and my dad was doing adoye like that. Obano baby picture who say beach now who potential be uma. Obana we also okay man into the house was full of
strangers
and they were fascinum strangers into no mema ne do so chine man and nankasa ne nephews was even part into it wasn't like and I was trying to tell somebody
so mo abuse ba wana kwa ka kire
na wana kaka wo kwa obi antie okra wo den na wunim
for no sir. Do you think, say, rape, no, it affected you?
It did. Because I couldn't tell anybody. He was the one who picked it up. One of the men who picked it up said, there's something.
Yeah.
I said, I saw you in an uncompleted building with, and Tomana, Obon Tomana, no matter what you see.
Yeah.
I said, I saw you there and somebody was raping you. And I started a music.
Hey.
Now I say, I've never told you because you have picked this and that. Just say, you are my bone of my bone. Nobody has pick this thing up.
Mami Musa, Reverend, I don't know picky. I don't know who say something like this happen. A brand now which was who said okay. Bibi said to me affect you. I don't know what me picky. Sa signal no.
Thank you for question no. Say like I said no. Me call blind no. Nyame be meaning sign my spiritual eye.
Okay.
And one day at dawn, na me more downstairs na one more down top. Into me bomb pies na nyame reveal it me say my wife has gone through certain things into that time now you have issues. Until nyame reveal it me say she's been through certain issues into what is going on. No? I need to be wise and know how to deal with the issue. Because of life na me leading, I thought say every woman be no. Nyame is a revelation na me cause kata say say na nyame atre me na eyampa no start so soon. No so on country obi ada ne mama ne papa obi enim. Nyame ya atre me dia any she believes say I'm the bone of her bone and flesh of her flesh into we give God that glory.
Yeah, the munyama. Reverend say akwada bi tie o, mami bi tie o. Anaso obi krampo sexually has been abused before. Na ne say the woka no affecting. Bibi say it can take you out. And I say self esteem, you be lose value. A bedroom rebi kwa be wadwin say me hu hia as ebe me nye nipa biem ene ade ade afuto na ode be ma the child cry be right now cry ye kasa yi e be there is okay reverend
me person me ade bibi
okay.
Abuse is not just sexual. It can be emotional, it can be mental. You know, there are different forms of abuse, you know. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Reverend Abi obi akra bi okra obi suso ni mu obi no abeso no fo no aso ne to or then say rera no those things it happens especially family house nipa be go yeah nephews ni ade wo fa say sometimes relation abusuan na mu nipa na uncle aba eni ade aba sister aba oba oni ni kuna ba sa wo ha mi hu akoda bi ono ne wo fa ne wo fa no what 3 years o defiling no oh enti say akoda bi tie oba tan bi tie wa de na wo be use story no e de aka e de a chere
de me be ka chan se mun tie nkwala no cause on more chin yen ka say ho mun tie mu pa because mo ba bet na ona mo ka so mami ankre ata na say ankre sumesi we e de ne nsa ake kame ana say o ka je say na wo wunim ka wanu tum enkasa ankre we ontum yesa mun tie omo they know what they are talking about. They know what they are talking about. They know panti awo for me sramu mama mani nkonkwala no they know what they are talking about. And yes, amu decide ni nia e hamo ene na ya e ma nkwala ne bebra mu nia na fe bedroom bribi na fe de muntumi ko parent kra mu mfie omo e mo say ye obi a wo se de be kra mu ware a na say mu ye we a mother na papa father no kra frɛ na mu mfa for mu ko mu nse no muska mu nye hwe. It's not because of anything. You've been through something and you weren't there for them.
And to say akra no kra won pene ma me ani ma hye
no never pene ya first go say to say parents no mo chiro mo eye de be di cry dia mo but ne ba na kenye bebi agina bi a on person free parents no we can say spiritual sometimes na nya bibi an ye be ka say be blame on the spiritual side.
The neglect, rejection, abuse
nya bibi an ye be ka say spiritual. We need to, deal with the physical thing, and so we are dealing with the spiritual side.
I think I want to add something.
Yes.
Please, if you don't mind.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me say, the reason why I became a womanizer, a serial womanizer, is simply because me di 7 no, my cousin, I would do 14 or abuse me sexually. Or my share wardrobe. But sad time no say Ghana nyame piwo hwa yentia say no say mental health afena awareness eba but those times na yin say a rape na yin say abuse ye kon approach na ye beti nyame biase this thing is really happening. It's really happening now. I think so there's a stereotype because oh ya kwala bonintina they won't even believe you. It's a big issue.
Yeah. It would you say it was a family? It was a family member.
Yes.
It I said na a chance bia to ho. CDB has been sown. Yes.
Yes.
As a one share ya. It will share with me that thing that happened to him. And a bema be a serial womanizer.
Yes. I didn't understand some things. Emma maybe a certain apathy towards women. I just wanted to see women how they would groan or moan or whatever. I just had that wicked intention. Very bad. I think as parents, I will see any konkwalano. We're busy chasing money, but we need to have time.
Omokasanswa yenti.
But again, it's simply because the culture teaches us not to be assertive. We are assertive, but no one different.
Yeah.
They are so assertive. So assertive. Back by last year, some family members, and they were assertive. Yeah. Family members make a term say, but it's not that.
Yeah. I don't know question na dwene ese wo mu ade.
Issue I want no. It is a canker in society. It is a canker in society.
Yeah, that's it. So what make
Can
you
imagine say last born is saying obey 18 or
18, yeah.
Last born will be 18. na menene kasa na meni abrena me ye ohwe menim to you say mami chill say yen aha na kasa chilla nka eko wasum dada nke ko say wonim nyanze wo ade na waka say ka ekonsa twede bia wo begye no but we say nim pa na me say why na nche me na o say mami chill okay no ko de chill no cha fe di me nkasa de nkwa na emesiri we need to be more flexible. We are too stiff.
Yeah.
African parents are too stiff. We are too stiff. And you're flexible, kakra. And you're flexible. Yeah, kunkuntai.
I say authoritarian system.
No.
Controlling.
Yes.
Manipulation.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need to relax and spend time. Muntia kwalano. Oh, in the school course saying, so what do you want to become? You know, how was school? You'll be surprised that 5 minutes of best and you hear a lot.
Yeah.
You hear a lot to cry now. One can say, Ufi say, sometimes Ufi say, ya botai kukuntai, ya dressy kukuntai. Where did be a colon be to a man crying? And Crabbe say, where do I mean tea though? Where did you learn that? You know, so if we spend time with the children, you hear a lot.
I say, Beba last born, and no me drew fear. Mommy. Okay, obedi konkonsa. I said last born for the
last born.
Last born for the.
Yenin bibia.
You say at the power any devotion. She was on her phone. When you devotion, Mama, I say, you say, oh, your devotion, I read the Bible, and I'm saying, them call say, as I said that, it was about can be no so why? I was always explaining.
Yes. We are very, very curious.
Yeah, Miss, go and bath for say why? Nigerians so this way why? Miss said so that you will smell good, your skin will be beautiful, so that's okay.
Yeah.
But you know, the fun to say, because so my miss could carry up with some mammy say, it didn't announce me, Debbie. But of a sort, see, didn't hear you, Jerry. It's in a Ubisam say, why do you want me to bath? And I meet so much and so, who Jaria, and my home bone, and I would ever my you sham, and our skin be beautiful, and one who hair no, it bet me I come I want rush to the bath. Yes. Now, what the reason why?
Exactly, yeah.
It's in the near
yes.
But yet the end say, I can't acquire.
One can be some questions or catch us say, one bones are, you know, and we think that we are just saying it. But Akwalano being no one picking something from it because negative from it because he didn't think and she didn't think said ya wukano won't mean anything but pick it no odini into also be wa transfer the same kind of aid oh me Akwalano na me papa is or say why say until me transfer the same thing amount if you know when yin say one ko Akwalano okra when yin na also picking echo.
And please, but you may add the BB.
Yes, add.
Also, parents sometimes say, young fan say example in your situation, last born, no.
Yeah.
Also, you see wisdom, but some of us parents, no, you see wisdom. And yes, sir, what we are doing is encouraging sibling rivalry. But it's a topic for another
time. Yeah. I think it's said the okay. Said the Emma a time Emma woman time because I be conconsa. But I say who because penny the buy was no I know it was.
So one for wisdom and two. Great problem. Now would you for your time, baby? Or mommy loves you more than me. Daddy loves you more than me. We are kwalana. Even source exchange of source can be a problem because until now minimobia ne brother anyway boys proof it not dressing nice but I think when they were going to school no move konfie but that move konfie moko na say socks na o no black different colors now what jeans but girl boys proof oh three boys proof it moko of you nti them say ebufuri da so ewom no because kit one catch a penny say into odu na ojina assembly na all catch other say moye no catch say wa hwe o from boys SP no so show socks different
me who asem no can
me mo bi adi show socks I say and you know what it was a joke he didn't mean any harm but till now
several years
I have bitterness I get bitterness. Say it was going back and forth. As person me who say then I'm the idea was saying also I will Edana me am Kolani say. I want him. We need to watch what we do, because even if we do that now, it's something that we need to laugh at. We are rough. We need to laugh about it, but not to have bitterness about it.
Yes.
And to say parents, even when you see wisdom, I'm sure you may be a
sibling rivalry.
Yes.
Now money muso. Penini and Reverend, my mom can be big a cran, son of my pastor of mammy, may not be doing commodity affair and the faith and then the confidence here, me for pampers and maybe when you're free. Mammy no need a sibling rivalry in Hong Kong because. One of the biggest problem in society.
Serious.
And we are for our monka.
Serious.
Reverend, I'm telling you. And we are for a beer, a penino, or naked wanenka, or a ted bonnet, and we are fonte. I'm a big as a basin.
Serious.
Oh, yeah. And we are for much man so. And we are for wimpe way some.
Yeah.
And you have not can you form me back papa back when I say impokra say different mothers and I say different fathers cry near four but say ushas a yes has sibling rivalry na Akosua no e do how bebre aba manipa bebre kwa na o machi no o majapade niam bebre asese can be found because one case why experience be efa sibling rivalry na nam e bi ankwala abrem niam bi e course yentimi amfa nche can be kakra ba
me me feels me feels okay. Jesus can say in Matthew 10:36, or see a man's enemy shall be members of his own household. And that tells us that issues the first place to look at is into the household. And sibling rivalry has been in the Bible since Joseph and all that. Me feel say it shall say Cain and Abel. Me feel say there is too much hypocrisy in families. I think everybody should sit down, put their issues on the table, talk about it, and move on. Because for me, me. My family say Jesus say one enemy mommy, one enemy me those who do the will of God. And I know that family is not just blood. That's what I personally believe in, because blood is as Obenya Sema is the people around you. Blood first. And to make me feel we need to be mature in the things of God. And just sit down, iron things out. Don't be hypocritical about things.
Yes, I mean, Yachum. Cano Querno. Only the panesre, baton penasum.
Cano Querno.
Unianesre, baton pen anymore.
Yes.
But your ban, Nana sister, but to Conechano Cansum, assembly and your winning. As we unia.
Are serious?
Hypocrisy. Pretense.
Serious. First time I made Bagan after 20 something years. I mean, we were a close-knit family. Very close-knit. Very, very close-knit. And I mean, you say, you're about to see top-notch hypocrisy. And I seen it. And especially, say, a Woba family more. A Hona who say, issues with Bushim. Yeah, but again, a topic for another day.
Yes.
Of course, the American fast has same way. Sometimes I blame the father, the parents.
Okay.
I blame them. Once you can say wisdom, we cause it. We cause it because say baku ye good chin baku. Wumba bebre na baku ye good chin baku. Ubo baku about no baku.
Favoritism.
Yes. No way, Jana wa catch when say, would ye, when you are Ketwayanka, obey say. One quad ye, what would you say? When quad you on the mad into we create that kind of
or tino
between them as they are growing. Into honest what the best me say, Mamma me pay we are some chinwe. Me papa we are some chiwe. Into the MBA no crano. Or more appreciate it anyway. Into no wafa ne ho adwen woni tim dada.
Eti ne nua no kra na yeta kamfo no wo mpena asem woni tirim.
Into wo mpena asem from childhood dada. Into although they work and everything wafa ne ho adwen woni tirim. Mo bebe nyi no afede na ade no eye kese.
Yeah.
Na afede pani na ba betwe ne ho. Na ketwa be na I say pani no especially kra if pani no kra nya bebi engyina yie. Na sa ketwa no bepepa ne ho. Abeka say dia ma me ana papa kan ye nu na abamu no. Na afede ase no kwa be because I say ketwa no na be breadwinner for the family. Afede ni podi bobwe kra. Because ebeba they say ma me ni papa no so no entumi iron those things out. Into no ofra wo de uni aketwa na ehye ye no. Wo de me say fit nkola do wuti we wonya eyibia na wote wono ye na afede create sa issue no. Na afede busuan no enka.
Yeah.
And wa kra na wa parents so wo create sa ade no wo so wo be frɛ aye say wo be sisi sa asem no. Emfa.
Because some problem na e won e free.
Yes. Emfa.
Na wo de we to we ho.
Wo be sisi entem. And the baba say wona ya akwala nti kono kwaka papa ni ncha. Nso yesa. Sabi say wa ware awo. Ono no wonto aduane ma ne nti. Nti anya akwala asem nti me konka pachawo. Sa de na parents ya no munye. Obia betumi apachawo ye mfomso a obia betumi. Yenya nkwala abiom.
Yeah.
Nti parents say mo hwe because awofo ne yankasa ne create sa
sibling rivalry no.
And friends say yeah, watch what we say because what we speak is life and death.
Yeah, the no cano.
Me can say 2011 when my catch say one mom to live brain tumor me papa buy no. Obisa me say how did you get brain tumor? Me catch me say me can say me akwala no. Now you hear me say me di metiu na cotton wool nkwa na wu timu. Now I want me twede. Me catch me say this you are the cause of it.
Yeah.
See some things we say udi obenyi abeto.
It's a case.
All these things, we got to affirm good things in our children's lives. You know.
Negative nkwa. Yeah. Negative.
Yeah, as some state and common money edi and pay no. It will be say revelatory. Mo bie ye ni papa because eniafo mu tan.
Yes.
Eni bre.
Are you serious?
Yes, pretense, hypocrisy.
Serious.
Etienne na what say I say ye kan ye hu bo mama owomra. Ma
Oh,
obi mu se ma be wu anase papa wu. Hey. I hold na niema be pie.
Mo be ja to nipa ba akofo so pa. So no no hwe because say we say mama ni papa epe wasem. Nti wan kasa hwe omo.
Yeah.
Ba ewo ba na afede kenkonfo asori wo. Unni bibia ka.
Yeah.
Unni bibia ka. Owe akwala ye ne empemfo me yenka but time otiase no. Wo na wo hemfa na ekomedi na nas ni dru asa na ofre. But the same parents now causes our issue.
Yeah, woman no kasa. Woman apply wisdom. Woman of God, that's here for me come and say many Reverend Veronica, I see you do na. Yeah, papa, I see you doing so how bonichi do man komono. I hear de papa wapa, yes, ya dear, if you my brother, near my bio my femu, there be a make us a ministry, a our life.
Yeah.
Ministry a one kasa life. It is a ye read the gospels na Yesu Christo na bra bone ministry no. A coin of fans who believe who life no. And a ministry so won't mean your ministry or bra who is scarce. Because at the end of Jesus loves you, yeah. Jesus loves you, Jesus died for you. No. But me my baby and I want na no. Anyhow what we redeem me. And no gospel no because that is the redemption story. They say and na to say nani aba ne say na eba ne sana sa hope no e dia ba eti me ba reverend so say Reverend Veronica den na niema wo famu abuse and sometimes niema etimi affect wo ne aba twede ne ade no e den na utimi grow up to become such a very confident woman oba a very solid like as a you know who you are unim ne wo yo chese won't try to please anybody you don't need anybody's approval. You are not loud there. Like I say, we are solid. We are there now because normally omo suffer abuse no. An inferiority complex, low self-esteem, or there be our per validation, people pleasing. They are easily manipulated. Any identity. There now edu bedru hasi.
Okay. Manka say affect me and I'm
Okay.
It affect me. Me lose me self-esteem, confidence, everything. But a dream baby na it affect me too much. Na me sorry anopa. Me sorry me ki jina ahwehwe mu. Na me ni ahwehwe ne kasai. Me ka just say so be obeka ne cry kire wa the best person is the mirror.
Yeah.
Mirror do betimi aka ne cry na don't mean that down. Me ki jina ahwehwe mu na me hwe mo ho. Then I started pronouncing positive things in my life.
Okay, cancer papa who abra boso.
Say I'm blessed. I'm beautiful. You know, me started pronouncing whatever they have. And as someone make kind say, me too. Bible quote make just the stone the builders rejected will always become the head cornerstone. And let me just see. And I hate there. Dia woka say men ye no. Na woka just won to me ye no. Ona make just me.
Na uji de yan de gina de so na ma udi akokodu ka sa wo be ye na. Ade obi ye si entimi nya so be. E na ugina de so na ma wo de sa confidence de ka sa no.
Because they are ma come through me nya obi ama na support me. Inti I to say me nkwa na me nam wiase apart from Yankopon. Inti say manye Emma, my shame yankasa mu crying. Na mankasa my enjoy my own company. Then whose company am I going to enjoy? So I build up to enjoy my own company. Oh yes. Now I work with confidence. And I see that it was working. I have to build myself up. Because when to me I'm build yourself up, then because my man be on say, mukako waru akacha say, mumo moya mukose ko obane ko ke follow ni path no aka cho yensi dan bom yen yesi men si wudan men yesi obane so one path obane so one path be man so one path all fingers are not equal and ya wo path na we follow no person obane follow wo path no and ya wo path no ja obane so one follow path na omo na be join together it makes it good.
Emane ye fair. Yes, all parties or ban bibi woni mu.
Yes.
Nyame so obibi opese de ne ye.
Exactly.
Eti be man men ka ne nhye.
No.
Mono men ka say, mama medi wachi nko a de wo be ye no nko a. Na say me de mama ntome de ye nkyene. Eti say nyame de bibi foforo bi ama na ma ne nye. Na nso ye na maka ne nyina abom. Na ye ma.
Ono no de ni part ne ba be join wo de no. Na fedi mo share ideas because you have to remember say wo bebe share be ma na obi awo the way am training no obi afi baby unso fi baby na eba nti wo fi baby na eba anhwe ya wo tena kura na anhwe awaru be jaye o so oske mbe ku remote ho na mo ejaye akoze mbe ku remote we jaye mbe ku remote make so mbe ku ho ne say wo be ka say ono no ofi ni part oba no ono no remote no o say yes bachelor or the two or the see what say also what ban see emfa what the tour what the tour into obana say ono abar we me say remote no wo na wo so dey to say mo be kontakwa if wisdom doesn't come in now is okay just wisdom ba mo okay wo dey yembutu ni see ni na hu say yebutu no into obana kura the part be man so ni kura the part into mo nkan mfensha because I have to learn how to build my own confidence because I realize say omo ameni omo nyi na me bedru baby it's like one boy me and Adam phobia some me fabia no me pen crofo me bear me attracting crofo but I realize say me bear money a do certain age bia na I say me ho ba be ye hi na me ho ba be ye hi into why do I have to bother myself
repeat ho ma me wo be fa ni pap down for no mo na afebo say do level bia afenda na ho abeye
me ho abeye
nipa na o kan so o pe wasem na
me ho abeye hi I don't know what I do wrong or what I did wrong na me ho abeye hi wo bi say nipa krompo onim
o mama ho hi
and I have to enjoy my own company me say no pay pa because of where into me be enjoy mankasa me company me pie and man te kra na me se fie me fie dwuma ba be se fie
ko wo mpesa adam for me no be nante na ekire ma be ye otamfo
because na me to be come asami to obi bibi kakra first bibi kakra na ma fre me nuano ma na friends na ma ka achromo imi ba be sim then I realize say make some obey start ajeje ho ba bedru bibi na some ko deeper na eye we na fe deeper we mute na utumi ti say nkomo flow
yeah to say
na so na wo kasa unkwa na wo kasa nti me pick that one say no that's a sign of jealousy ho e wo into rather no even me nuanom na the same thing so I me started withdraw me home step by
kakra
me no wonya aka but I love you from far
nya bibia na me kan kire wo
obisa wo from no obisa say me te won kan kire na say me te oh my busy oh over time ya na you buy one get one free you obi ade ye kwa ke ye jwa kwa ke buy one get one free over time ye dey aka ho na maka me once na me get over time bia I learned to enjoy my own family my own company. Because me realizing who say myself the only time that I can build that confidence back in is that because me benwa wo kra na wo be me kra no wo be me hu say me kra me ni confidence because wo be ye ma de no aye say de wo ka no kra wo nim de wo ka because you have a conversation be wa minimum but how to bring it up or how to express myself was very difficult. Into Obama wo adamfo na muka say eh na wo name dia wo ka is like Obama why a kit way
yeah obi dim the show cry
and it was really breaking me. Into I rather not to take any crowd to build myself up to that confidence. If I nyame and what I did to build that confidence up is me the gospel shemu praises and me don't me the praise best messa sa wanna messa
when it you ho ankasa
me kwa me the praises messa sa me and the worship I worship sa me my son back to praises
yes
me back to praise and messa sa me bra na matena form
me say one kasa wo niam bi ade hyehye wa brabo bi ani die brewo wo twen so obi mfa mrewo
me sa na matena form na me otu say bibia yi free mu me we na start me ye praises na me ye me clean na me ye me ade and me say na free me ntema na so obi share me no no pick it that or pick us I want to know your God because every time it's like you're happy na me so won ntia
yeah
that's the confidence I built myself with praise because me ni adam for me kwa kake wo de be kwa kake enenam because Obeka said there's no bestie. There's nothing called like best friend and bestie. No. Where there madam fu inti ma men kan say me nkyere ne
afa na asam no a
wo be hu say asam no wo no kra na wa so na asam ne dura na wo pe na me ka kire o so man kan kire obi a o na asam ne nam na asam na fe de wo secret and say wo nakedness in agwabonten
etie ne abrebre ama ne ama me meka ena achi wakwa ton me na chi ye be yi ma dance ne ye be frɛ me ena wo kan say me mpesa me mpɛ drama
because ebi ho so me just say
100%
yeah drama
yeah because wo ti fie kra na wo ni obi akra nkasa ye no ana wo nkon kasra obi no ono kra ye ka ho
God na wa osade wo hokɔ
na wa da sa wo de hokɔ wo be ti fie a wo nkon fi ho obi wa me wo so te na obi wa tena katena saloon or can one sem oh so me hu we so me see wa hase me hu so me see wa hase no yes no me once no e ho no kra or kasa wa kono nkotwa mo and you have to love your own company
na ne ende na won kan chenya me no mre o Jonathan said ye na osine
ebi no the
oh yeah sure
oh
yeah sure that be Bibia, I'm Rebina Mekase, Reverend Namekase, the same way I walk Solomon, you were Joseph or who? Was a Joseph or worry back up a very decent, impo Potiphar, crappers one and done, or running. But into a big metis or baby, because oh, remember them said, no, it's not true.
It's not true.
It's the same way to Namekase.
It's not true.
It's not true. Your friends like Jonathan's there. Me, I believe, says I will pad down for pray about it. You can the kind of friend that you want. Adam for our open. Because I'm a testimony of that. Because now me ped the kind of friend be. Oh, me pardon for me far phone na near the tongues na she like the moment the call comes in no na labako ya to so sa the moment else say Muna, you love God, you are growing together. You are very spiritual. Enti say when you are very spiritual, meaning say enti mean coordinating. Enti I press a lot, bring me a friend, sometimes a sister.
Yes.
So what I say, I don't care what do so say but obia or do say them do. Obi enti sometimes you say upe bibia. He has a way of so connecting me with the panorama. Just I was surprised. He has a way of connecting you with that kind of a friend. But even though you love your own company, you know, sometimes friendship be a divine, like Jonathan and David, a relationship. You know,
how can two work together?
Yes, I like to agree.
Say, you know, we follow what we call the 2-2-2 formula.
Okay.
Every 2 days. Obi amfa phone and compamo.
Okay,
no. Then every 2 weeks, we go for a date.
Okay.
Then every 2 months, we go on holiday somewhere.
Wow.
We follow the 2-2-2 rule.
2-2-2 rule.
2-2-2.
But you might be explaining it because there, okay, there's a revival for marriage in there. Mama formula, no, mama. The 2-2-2 rule.
Bedroom. Because majority of the time, no, you are on your phone, you're on the phone, it cuts communication.
Okay. And
the communications here are very important in relationships or marriages. Until every 2 days, no phone. No phone.
Together
no phones.
24 hours.
24 hours, no phones. Then every 2 weeks, we go out on a date.
Wow.
Then we'll talk about so far the year drew and what he's doing wrong and what I'm doing wrong, and we'll talk about it and see how best we can move forward.
Wow. Every 2 weeks.
Then every 2 months we go on a getaway.
Okay.
Maybe a weekend getaway or whatever. We always keep the relationship healthy. Because it is flowers. One water. You know, that's and wisdom is only wisdom that keeps marriage.
Yes,
wisdom is the principal thing.
All right.
You know, we do the 2-2-2 rule.
Yeah, the two it is applicable. Very powerful. My warrior no. It's me. The phone side, and I think says me emulate. It's a mode for 2 days. Namumi enunkwa. And some more dim home come on. Ade be a how be a that was so namu bonded together.
Yes. Because sorry, dear, you can't be a we be a work at I'm sorry, bounce back at your sorry. But sorry no doesn't stop the fact say maybe there's a deep thing or maybe the person is not your husband or your doesn't know about. Because maybe you're going through some emotion, something because of time crap when discuss about it. You know, remember, you're from different background nearby. What I say. And when it comes to marriage and relationship now, we need to adapt to each other and trust each other. If those things are not there now, because remember, love fails.
Yes.
Love. What my catcher say? What do business? Yeah, I love you so much. Love doesn't keep a marriage. It's wisdom.
No.
Because which my catcher would do business here? Now we are worried. Where the obey wedding 1 week no way jai. Because they are marrying the dress. Now the
occasion.
Or the occasion. Yeah. But they don't know that the journey itself is the marriage.
Yeah, I can't you know.
Yes.
And I will say wisdom they keep you married. Reverend, so what can say? Reverend, explain. What can say wisdom and they keep you married? I will purchase it.
Okay, into my example. For example, me no I argue. Se mo nyansa me share situation on na ebia ne buefu chen me. Na yemfa say she is in the wrong. With wisdom, me who said any buefu no I won't talk about it. I'll just walk away.
Because when say ne koko abasro.
Say bibia coming down. Yen so every evening answer ne bedano. I will say your bompai na ya kesi yon na yada. You know, me train at the right time. Me say na kuma bafom. Na ebia ye bompa na bibisa. Ye bompa wia na makasi o me pacho metimi aka sa about ne say you know. Okay, minim say na ubuefu. Okay, minim say it takes two. My sorry. but once you may feel say you were wrong in this area, this wisdom. And you say at that time now you brief no. Now me so me say me try say no, but I'm right, you are wrong. No. Wisdom.
Yeah.
Because wisdom is a principle of marriages. Okay. And you know the application of wisdom, yeah, very important.
Very important part. So for mommy, one wisdom or baby me apply and want a marriage, or man and healthy and a very successful marriage. And some about my last question. So
Abutre means abutre very difficult as abutre. Because you need yango for number abutre because me per se I make cancer abutre no. Sometimes me a go getter. No say we must me back it down.
Yeah.
Me obi a me back it down. Into no na so step it.
Yeah.
Me back it because of what I've gone through into no. I say me person me fighting for myself.
Yeah.
Into me back it down.
Me
did. Me back it. I'm Wednesday so. Wednesday. Me back it down. Me back it down. Into no say one ma. Be say obano I'm back it down. One calm me down. No one ma beman say. Baku is introvert. Na baku is so no mutu ni extrovert. Say baku back it down.
Yeah.
I say mutu en work it. En fa because obeka cho say I been to me why be. I been to me why be. But have you sat down? I say wo so dey na why? When the beman ntina na mo nkasa. Na mo obi anfa no okay yenye ni say okay ye best start when yenhwe say be ye adwuma. Yem back yen fa abotre ne mpaibo entim.
Infant.
Enye bibia na ye best so.
One of the things that I normally teach people, and I'm a counsel, we have the circle and we have the square. One person might be the circle, the other person you either be a circle or you be a square. But so utia say circle to me ko square muna square to me ko circle mua. Then you'll be able to use that wisdom.
Yes. Let me aboapa. Medasipa. So my two questions but na mama eti for abem. Say obaby tie una or struggle with low self-esteem. Onjini hundi the faith in God cry onya crisis. Ono ankasa ne self-confidence nyina akọ sometimes obi okra bad relationship, obi also a past trauma. And we go through a lot of disappointment. I'm on no or a shadow of her old self the other day. When encouragement be out the more baby I will see or one low moment, in a low point. On to be cram fight the battle in the mind. A lot of thoughts are coming, but who said we see shedding crime, mammy. Now you are not famous. My last question.
On fan tree ready means all the no betray ready, but Ube then now don't want tree ready because what I saw don't wait tree ready. I answer Becky Jacka bomb pie no wusu de biana wusu. Wait here there wo as soon as no
okay.
But I said one in the casa. Now one casa will pronounce it positive or brabo because Nimpana will choose to say, oh, Quaka can was a match reno. And I said, Quaka, the old firm Quaka to you, to me more. Or bet discourage you more. Why you confuse more?
Yeah.
Into me a drum bribino. A bush of free and me shati or me lock me choppy Mrs. Simon on back cry. Just to deal with Mancas and my own self because I'm the problem.
Yeah.
Me next me bring them in once and man phobia what can I say me lock me change my number bush of when I want to make yes because one can say we young juma and you be no waka catch on no to me nyare oba mo confused more cause now I was so confused me be I said me name what I want
nim ne wo pe
na me nim dia me pe into me shati obi af me see everybody now stay back.
Yeah, now let me find myself.
Yes.
I mean she shed the me yo.
Yes. Then I sat down and I didn't do me shame one. Now my lock on me ye praises no worship sir. Me just I make some number just to shut every two do myself. Then I stay there and talk to the mirror. Me no more no one can say when mirror on the casa no you can say pronounce certain things.
Can you not some go
abroad? So you are blessed. You are beautiful. You can do it. You can do it.
Let me yeah. Bema ne jamin so menya bema
yeah.
Menya papa. Everybody ye mediba menya fofo.
Menya fofo. Ne sesi ho. Change your wardrobe. Sesi ho. Ne jina no wan kasa won say wo pia wo kasa I feel good.
Yeah.
Mama ade na nhyɛ
na wotiri ho nyina basa
wa wotiri ho basa
adan a wo se be maja
na wo no munsa
ana se bia me krumpon ma fi
na love yourself ukumpo mafia. What are you doing to stop that?
There's a solution oriented.
Pray and obaswa, like what I said on the other time, men nyanu gidi call chrono fua, because maybe he is going through something that you don't even know. He can't even tell you. Sit him down, call chrono, bring him close and get the solution from him. Sorry now, so obey my jaw and I say obey jaw now to one of their young son. Then I will young and son of it me as a situation.
Debbie,
rather makes it worse. Jim now nine so.
And maybe beyond count of
no, be confident. One person, woman self control. That means one person to only confident. Who knew worth? Because Nyankopon was purpose for everybody. Yeah. They will go through at this moment. I mean the reason why we go through. We'll go through it. Yeah. Because on to me fa bibi mfa mawa bra only me want to me handle. Yeah. It's a phase. Get up, shake yourself and move on.
I like the said it's a phase. HM.
Me Debbie, I said to him, say, you know, I'm not perfect. Yeah. And I'm not approved by God yet. So I'm permanently approved by God. I will still go through that phase. Come on. So I'm permanently approved. So I mean say, maybe what approve, you know. I'm still going through that phase. So the day that he called me, then I know say I will know whether I'm approved or not. Yeah. We still go through that phase. So we don't sit down and say, Ben may jame, and me losing me juma, a Ben manager member woman sem, a juma. So that just say those things now are controlled. It's being controlled. You know, you're being controlled by those things. Yeah. And those things, if you're being controlled by that means it's an idol. That means it's an idol.
Yes, at the end of the day, what did we are sorry.
Sorry. Yankasa Bemansu, Emma Besu. Yeah. That's sorry, people when them move on. Yeah, you super. Yeah. You super, but also real. Fine, it's something that is new that you are bringing it out. That's the reason why you are crying. Into also real, na bibi that the chronic flu moi. People when him. No, sit down.
Trust in the Lord.
Trust in the Lord, because a lot of people are going through. I'm on the near. Yeah. Because me had more dialysis unit. Me catch and say, I was doing my placement. And what dialysis unit? And I make a chance say, hey, me read me course here. Let me nurse. Me read because me quite more dialysis unit, and it changed my whole everything about life. It changed it because you see people. You see people walking every single day. Not dressing nice, but deep down they are going through something and they are dying and you don't know. They are fighting for something. I say, what do you mean? Missy, could you believe they come in, they wear jacket, more dressing nice, more baby dialysis, and waiting on a kidney. So we have to be grateful. We won't miss her. And you get up in the morning and wake up and wait beer when and you are sitting down and sucking lemon. And I will sue. Jamaica just said, you are being ungrateful. You are being ungrateful.
Yes, Obia is going through something. Obia sorry,
yes.
And I will be about dressing was suit, but he didn't buy not to be shana. Yes, as what the number.
Or the number. Say, if we don't see the facts, say we get up in the morning, it's me be me. It's me akasa. It's me mpabuakra ashe. And as it's me, and I say we are complaining on just a mere mortar, say we jail, and I say why is that we are being ungrateful. Pick yourself up and move on. Because everybody is going through something and a process.
No self-pity.
No self-pity. This life that we are in, there's no self-pity in it too. Because if you are self-pity, ube catch. Yeah. Ube catch. It's a life. It's a battle. From the day that you were even conceived, there's a battle going on there. Yeah. As soon as I start this, because from day one, it's a battle. There's no end. There's no end. Sorry, pick yourself up. Sorry, Nako. Sorry, pick yourself up.
Menka say no ano no.
Menka say no ano no. Me ko no me ka sign me ho, me ko kumi ho. Okoko wide, odru anyankopon kra bebo wasum. Because he hasn't called you yet.
Unfair
was a bewa be den ho. Oba be den ho.
There is always hope for tomorrow.
Yes. There is always
Always hope for tomorrow.
and na year otsna ewo.
Yeah.
You know, every day is a blessing, and every day is a blessing, and every day who name the obi sia ewo that day no.
Yeah.
Also, don't think about what you're going to eat tomorrow. It's always be provided. So why do you worry? What did be amount? Still when in Jim Akosua nipa da sani ordinary we na the same blood who soon on. Pick yourself up, be encouraged.
Yeah.
Sorry, you can do it.
Wow. So mommy powerful pa. Dey me be chat so kran mama ho me so na tie for abem no. Mama mra me pese me hu the audacity of faith in ekuta wona. Papa you oti wo gyan. Reverend Lawrence says you do nya akokodro.
They handle me.
Just me pese me be basa so is kakra be 5 minutes. Me who say who shall brand you gira we pa. Na bra ba obo. Enti sa audacious faith you know. Eye den na first of all kra who say he is the man for you.
When you see something which your bema no who that bibi woni mu a, you can work that who say where you would you can work with this person. Na make just obia wo bibi woni mu.
Yeah.
Nti but me hu bibi na woni mu me hu dia oye.
Yeah.
Because de bia make try say obi ye boni a anas obi ye bibi a me ye nhwe boni na wa ye no ne mfa nja yen ka say man another chance.
Okay.
Ye nhwe papa na wa ye no ne mfa man sa chance no. Also what ye wo mama nkrofo chance me say ye ma people me man nkrofo a long group.
Na say won to ni punch ne sa because why am from so.
Because we shouldn't be judgmental. Any man judge no. Because me won say bibi woni mu. Nti bibi kra wo mu na say wo fa na wo siesie no. So wo obi na wo say wo ka say o nyipa kwa wa me see no on the roadside okita watermelon. Watermelon I say gallium melon woman. Watermelon okita. No je but wo na on the roadside say drug addict. Nti na me madam for use madam for bia na oti won. No oti won. I say because me a May born, it's not for me.
I was the last time I met back now.
Yes.
From hospital. Yeah.
No, when I say drug addict. No, say, Uber fan and I. I'm say, my father say, so on tiasem. Me name where I'm submission the man kasa no be a doss with your man. Or do if you pen or say a comedy. Me and Cassandra me so keep me home data.
Yeah.
But I didn't see myself the reason why I keep on getting him back.
Okwa no aba. And of course, I mean to me shut me home. I just do you know what? Na makaje extra shift for Jimum. Na makaje say, me person me home. Na me di me phone no. Me di a share car no. If I say, growth. Na me di a share ho. Say I don't want to him. Person me consider me here. Me baba na wa fresh ba 100 miss call. Na me say bra ya di asem sukran.
100 years sukran.
So na me cousin say brand dey asem krani I say when ni no person dey share to abakum na I say na me say nti o ka say na me sunim say wo pese oba baka me direct to akọ me spiritual mother ko counseling me directing straight.
Yeah.
Or counseling for 2 years.
Wow.
Counseling for 2 years. I feel when you're quite not bad for no. I said no. Miss Rachel Malika just said, Lawrence, you need to abstain. Don't do anything. They also okay, Bishop. I feel the Bishop then I feel me jarena me lock it down here. And me buano.
All right.
Me buano. Because my buano emane enye bia nke on tena se de te say me buano.
Yeah.
Because who pay baby, who pay say who pay obi asem na who pay say odie baby jan say wo buano.
Yeah.
men share the problem no go through no. Now won hwe say not we me ye kra ma ne kra me ye kra ba sa sa kwa ka we. E be say asan akobi mu we me ye kra no de na me ye. No.
Ba wo de no why wadwen say wo boa no mpo na say anya aware.
I've tried that side. It didn't work.
Yeah.
If you want us to be friends, not for me to lead you to Christ, dear, I'm ready. But don't even take a step again. Me catch any plane. No, so okay. Now me direct in the call. My spiritual mother ho. Or mentor ne sa no. Or start a mentor na. The day I just say or go through that now. Or that means my money be asenimu. Into oba back, one back the person be oba and you want to do the right thing. Me na minimpo no friend me family na no bookie restaurant be am some family or say me pie. Me do na me family wo no ko propose wo. So dia me no me ye free say me ko different adwene e wo metim no that side is gone. Me try something bamba nyame. Ono ankasa me use saa dia ne ba mo no ankasa won say you need to when me and Dini ye, because I me to me and not Benyame, I stopping your mebu and abra bomedia. You need to do the right thing because I'm the best woman for her. Because me and me a catch reno. Catch and place will be a noa. Money meant to me and catch the woo yeah, but they know to me, and man who say, yeah. Also, Chimio, I say go light, and my David, it's one mention in him. Let me to me money, so me to me catch reno the way it's here. Yeah, now my catch and place, and me one means robiao. Yes, and yamepe. Intimate me a catch whether you take it or not. Me catch rew and me can dia ebe PSU. And that's the story. Yeah. Yeah, was this year. Yeah. Because me who be no dia say no. Yeah. And I fire ni.
You saw something.
I saw something.
My intuition inti. A woman said be a nipa na kra. Reverend a surprise you like what she a ma be brave. But who said this one didn't different from a man and was she woman or no didn't know what's of my different cry. I man who said no, this is the one for me.
I think because of her love for Christ.
Said we see donya meno.
Because me to say na me kind man don't because of na ho but because oni me ba nyame mu no. That is the reason why I love it. Me say we different. Yeah. Or to me tell me as it is.
Or can correction.
Or can plain.
Okay, I know feel say.
Feel say Aboagye.
Eh no kapa. O say what you won Aboagye.
Because me experience be that. All the women I mean omo pray no.
Obi nyina pampaw. Obi an can correction. But all they know to be can correction.
Na me hu no different.
Yeah. But still na atena no. Even though na appear so still na ope.
No, because of the
banner. Oh, you cool.
Yeah.
I feel so. Other women, no, say be now woman ye Ghanaian sa, you know. Let me hear Diani. I also not Diani no.
Oh no, Diani.
And I feel so. Oh, you're a very good chef.
Okay, Diani, yeah, come on.
Very good chef.
Yeah.
My running restaurants, crying.
Wow.
So that's what made it.
Yeah. So, but the American said, "Dear, me who know ni mono." Kitwebi.
Oh.
See, the me who any kitwebi because na ne the owo wias me doso.
Yeah, semo.
Ne doso kitwebi. Ain't no. A doso de kitwano. Yeah. But me to many echo say. Yankopon catch and say if you have a faith like even a mustard seed, you can climb mountain. So I did kitikina me hu no mu no. Ena me ye ya masisi an wetumi climb mountain.
Wa mu nanim tia ketwa no.
Me to bedo be lose bibia no kra no. Na I say just say sika bibia akọ. Yeah. Inti ono so the sika because we near sika dan I say the bibia price like inti it me ko shop a na me hu say oni sika no na me yi card na me say answer be do shop G card ne show. Yeah. Na mama no etua so that he will feel
okay. Yeah. Because when you're scapping, yeah.
To feel okay. Yeah. So that's the only way to build him up, his confidence, to make sure that he's okay. Into Otavia or that so thank you very much. I'm it's okay. That's what we're living on. That's what to build his because the little that he had, that's what build it up for him to have the whole
Wow. Etiefo Mr. and Mrs. Esiedu or Mama Sompa Rhapsody. Amazing. Maybe be phone lines and on Mama Yetiefo Abem. Me say one learning from their story. You have been empowered, energized. Just say ama ube ujidia sa peja. Wabemba bukrana wa Kenya wo ho. Just say aye wo se niam sai kra 64 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho mi nua ben meshiane.
Your mama is getting you.
Yo mama mami ntio.
I'm not buying a sure I need to my family. They said, no one, I got a money in the you.
Yeah, that's
I am my that that's the offer income. No man, it is and then my children. Why are you in the young people? Stop that. I don't just want my mama. The father. After that, it's after my brand new year, and I don't say one I buy. Also, I can never use the command like them or you. Then they can go, my young girl, like a back for my
Amen. Yeah, that's a pass. So for my story, I show ding 0260196064 and 0260196065.
Hello, good morning, mommy.
Good morning, me pacho mini abema ben meshiani.
Pacho same mami apa Mr. Piachiano.
Me pacho mami nti wano pay.
Okay, yaka Mr. and Mrs. Reverend Omasi any from word of encouragement and on the MI Amate. I some as your far a dead by people be pray. But the same chip in two things are Messia at the FN iron and resignation the FN. Consent your mano. We did say and yet the Biana on the decision be a bet me above. Sometimes I believe a parent can take a decision for them that can help them, even in marriage and career. Because I know Nim Obia, Wetmabwani Baba, our sister is first marriage, our second marriage in Ekweki the man. Because the them and buyer, no, the Baba, they know Mbwa, say Mbwa. Even the first day, no, a two girl, no, and on this way, many papaya cut for so many months. But finally, no, Okonya the second man of the buyer, no, with a penny Jane, MOG to and then they are enjoying their marriage. It is possible. And sometimes, no, and if they can, man, something to the decision be a working. Sometimes it doesn't work. And so the parents help them so that they can have a successful life.
Daddy.
Secondly, in the area of friendship, sometimes we cannot cut away all our friends from us. We have the Jonathans, we have the David around. Because the engagement, who are the people that you invited? You invite friends and the family. And we have the good friends, we have the bad friends. Our friends, we have the friends, they are there. The David are there.
Adam Fufoni Papa Mate Medase Pan Medasi Yamisha 0260196064 0260196065.
Hello.
Yes, Oba Paneti. Nyamia Dumo.
Yo, Nakupon Stramwati.
Edasi.
No, I'll be there for.
Edasi.
Yes, oh my, yes, you.
Edasi.
Wagana for Papa. Nasegana. And the fear for oh my, yes, or Sompano. Say, yes, yeah. Namu. Say, oh, that you know. Okay, send your answer, say, Obeka say, go come. So, master, you get travel. Now, what you fear? Now, how are you to home? Not sure. Senya, Obama, and a young pa, and I say, yeah, or one. A dead bois, Amapalano. What to me? I asked Nana, a Timbian, what the time you be a honey. I trail mammy and now, Papa. Second, Senya Walker said. The to me, everyone, you be here, now, money. One person can say, and now, nobody picks up with him, nobody picks up what they say, what they need then. But it's very final. Not be said. Not so, yes, Yammy, obey them, the best
Mate. 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Miss Awachiniana. Sister Tevia. Yo. Ma'am Tevia Pacho. Me tell what to pay. Oh.
Me ya papa no sama na pio ken ama ma san ma reverse magin.
Amen.
Masa ma banya me sha mo pa.
Amen.
Ni afutu ni cheche ade bia mo de maye.
Amen.
You ha ni to problem o. Nyamo a ye nya danfo ye nyo bia e be ka ya
Oh,
ma. O ka tell ni to cha na e wa bon.
Na wa bonten.
Ti mo ma danfo fo na mo ni radio.
Oh, yeah that's it.
Some na me de for me bra say mo me wallet say me bia ko.
Oh.
I feel my confused. I didn't want my name so. But me dey pressure I got to say for.
I got to radio for fro. Wa down for ya.
Madam for no more.
No, I don't know.
Wo ba tena asem na ebi echi.
No correct.
Se wo komo na oni obi ni padi ye na na me. Madam for anamo.
Yeah, that's my tiwa. Yensu ya pa wadam for pa.
Asamna ebo no so ana pay mudi anu ya no aba no.
Amen. Me fa frɛ for be 9 na me dia ba wie.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me pacho me nia ba na me hia ni.
Ndaso hu nia ba.
Yo, Akosua mi ntie we.
Mamba sana ni tumetamba parents.
Awofo no.
Parents ndere ya obe count manda bomu. Nuna that is the other to papa with me a victim. The papa and the little so much. Now to whom we are, papa would get it. My kind of him and my demo yes of the life. My grandma. Then I let to quiet coffee. The name of play now. The question is, what is your birthday and as a then manifest all kinds of money. My a young then man were moving and the cinema can experience it as a nation style for say. Oh, my count. If you open penny for the crowd, you don't them, but I'm not a colony who goes to the left. How many now, but that's now far, what you
Mateo Baba, Mensume da sepa ye no krepa ye nye ne sa ye mfa nyansan tete nkwadano 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Me pacho mi nua be na mehia ni.
Oh ma o ba kwaku ni o.
Yo kwaku.
Kwaku dance man.
Dance man. Me pacho dance man so pa mi ntie.
Ya me bra ban ma bra pam.
Pam matemechia na ma.
Ma. Ye ma me die onjin di se yan kan tetefo ye ma me no bi na ye papa isha ni.
Ayo adie we die ebi otitifo ni bi genzifo ni di anka wo ma dwane eja reverend da
anka okoye kra
ko da genzifo na nko mo kokra omo so mo pe soft life ndi ko mo kokra
nanka esemre me papa yo se me bra yo se me wo fe yanko no so anka da ka semre be di onam na se anka sembre se bi o kafra to mu kura de da.
It's true no credit
da. Na ma won say ayi me back to assist ya always say Ita na me mami kan obedi ko concern obeti announcement.
let's say, oh, Yabano.
Ori be yaba.
Yamano, dear, say, so, no, so interested. Obano, so, or Yabonia, to send an Amocan, man,
yes, so a balance.
Yes, or Yabonena, piano.
Yeah.
Now, what Yanni we are, no, I can't bear because Yan can Yanisa.
I ain't such a munch on one say a book, a tribute to be book, run on him the entire book.
Yes, Unsendra, Senana, some from the catcher say, Namen sat the capa, on the board the fra, Meniachi.
Yeah.
No, I can say, oh, okay, found some to cap on Nano Yanisa.
Yeah.
Unso be broke, the Jaya found Sasha, and as a fetcher, dear book, Napa Bren. One it will also the Ambanista. And so, ma, every baby I'm a cat, say, young 90s, 80s, 70s, who's a mechaniaba. Satam na, young papa no near Nananum near Mamma Theatre. Mamma, discipline.
Yeah.
Discipline. And so, if I'm a bin mecate, said you, yeah, you see, no. Nyamiadum, a Tinya Boyen. A Tinya Boyen. Ma, memfa man.
Mate, Bemena, Medas, Yamisha, pa, Memfani Pamunu, na Memfasem Numrevie. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me pacho, Minia Ben Messiani.
Moses, blind Moses.
Yo, pacho mamintio.
Oh, my uncle Ponsino.
Amen.
This month of July has been a month of excitement.
Yeah, that's it.
And hope upliftment. It's a month of the best month.
It in Yamiasi.
If you are more motivated, oh, if mom is walking in our also I will for pay attention to Kola. Because we feel also Kola attitude and also the mood as a also to the band. Maybe since a day in how. Mama, you say a Kolamo, we are Kolaboni ash. Oh, to say that my okay. And can you make other business I come and come on? Can I bravo here, Bassa? And then you go for the our team, and also a severe papa. In fact, God is God.
Yeah.
Is that mama, mom motivated papa?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, let's go best now.
Me pacho mate. Yeah, that's it. Remember, ya na only Jeremiah Kasama me. Why? Me the number ne betuja. Mate. Me da se.
More the number.
Me pacho you. Me da se pa. Me fa di o chat wo kra. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho me nia be ne mehia ni. So from Pascal. Okay, pacho ma radio no ko from kakra ma me. Na me wano so kakra bi ma me ntie o.
Me say, I'm a father of 6.
Okay.
A father of 6. 6 children.
All right.
Now, our I sometimes you can't now, then you need to go with wisdom. And then but sometimes so be asking what the who myself would teach himself. Let me say sometimes if crown out ban it's make us say, oh, and yes, you would have Matia. It is another one, yes, you now so fast away. And sometimes you can't now I Akosua.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Pass was Shania Mabibre. Yamisha pa, and one year Botaye Sompa Rhapsody say, Yenina ye besuya dear, Nama Abrabonso etumpon. So, Mammy Pacho was some chatwo. I would be ma ye tea for na yada was sina. I said there was Yama and ne in cranshe. What save lives in there? Debbie Amka say, ye radio ye ministry. More honey and suyawaha. Na ye de shenkum for bi okro timi so ya no pa na ye ne say about nya de to so pa no be tibi bi pe say a Kenyan say hey I can move on. What's me chat all the mama me for
de make catch obi an say unsusun kasa unsusun kasa ye kasa dodo.
Okay,
we should shut up. Ye kasa dodo nye ye nsami na ye
catch ni pa
ye wa danfofo na ye wa danfofo Adamfo so oba ho so oba ba wa bra mo ba be se o because the yawo won ani bere na bi wo so na ni bere ba bibi wo wa ono so ebi wo a ope free wo.
Yeah, bibinti no buy.
Bibinti no buy.
Obi parasite.
Yes. Obi antumi mba wa bra bom yin say bibinti no buy. I don't say make a chambisa says can somebody really love you without wanting anything back? Genuinely without wanting anything back.
It is who DNT, yes, Obia now like for when it to form.
Yes, not steady. Mumbi when in a mon shenim pakron, mon and nanti. Maybe be a musia no 1 month, 2 months, I just away there. And me best you.
Yeah.
No way be you must be briatrano. Or no one of it me use to their sell.
Yeah.
On one of it me I say, my be good news been bra our brabo, my friend.
Yeah.
Obe bien us away. Where do you mean in
Yeah.
Minimum. Oh, I don't know. Say the way. I can't send it now. Until we should learn how to shut up.
Yeah.
Our good news, we should keep it to ourselves. Keep your good news to yourself. Oh, baby, kwa brochia. Kawanu tum. Out of excitement, ni akwa kaka. Because na nyimpo kwa akachira ni so yo no nko yo ti ho. Nso betumi aka just oh bra obetumi adam nsu kro de be ma kro betumi de bibi egum ama na akwantu na we should keep our good news to ourselves.
There was a lady
and learn how to shut up.
There was a lady I know was celebrating a birthday, the best friend the poison. Or celebrating the best friend the poison.
Adenti na adam for me and betumi di the same pot ba ko be wija mienu no. Ana say Bako emienu didia wo didi wo the same bomo na bako eweja bako no wo sha won ti ase because it's a mystery.
It's a mystery here.
Kawanu tum we should learn how to shut up, keep our good news to ourselves.
No bia na pe wiye
no
and you bia na ye ne dese bibi papa say ye ba wo life mu ti wo ani abre na wo koka no
wo feel say wo share actually even ebusuafo kra
e say wo ya hweye
because say aboabaka with one kasa won to memu because answer no bi be fi abontin ababe ye obibi no wo fie ni na amakwan wo fie ni na amakwan aye because when you weak soul wo fie na se nyipa ko weak soul no eduane opa eduane wo timi de eduane adada na wo timi nya na no eduane so be kansam bi a kire
yeah
say masam opa ba bia e weak point e bia wo betimi gina so in some Akosua ya brabo nya fi yankase ye fie yankase fie na aba abonte ya brabo ye komu insa how ne na fie yankase ye fie
yeah so one kan one to more
until we should learn how to shut up and keep our good news to ourselves.
Wow, this is power. Reverend, me ma unko obra wonka bi kire na de atwa to
me pacho em say te senia okan no ye kasa dodo. We need to learn to be quiet. Even cry testimonies any time beyond now share. Because it becomes premature. You know.
Ka asese bibi papa bi baye asopese obi ehu ena yi bi be ware o ena ase act of excitement no but one discipline is will be a cultivate.
Yes.
Say ubetimi keep things.
Yes.
Na every pamu na wudi be the right time was say Mary kept it.
Yes.
Or the CA.
Yes.
Who ne bano or say
yes.
she kept it in her heart. Or the
Yes.
CA.
Yes.
Every pamu san will be obi Mary enyem na nkwana na mobon me na be waje nkwa no me na wo bra no ono be no nim sa aje nkwa no obewu no so for mama no nim sa aje nkwa no obewu no but wan kan kire obi a ne kunu Joseph kra no
yes and we need to take a cue from these things. Sheep give birth to lambs in quiet places. Sometimes we have to be just quiet, observe, discern, and then move in life.
Ebasa was yentimi unpredictable. I like to have or say the wind blows where it wishes.
Yes.
You don't know where it is coming from and you don't know where it is going. So are those who are led by the Spirit. The person becomes a wonder and a surprise.
And those are the most powerful people.
Yeah. Also they unpredictable. Because you don't know your baby because the person is being led by the Spirit, not by emotions.
No.
And you're not think can e dey na nimu kane na mom omanyame onkonkron no e dey na nimu kane wo bibia mu obeka sakro make sure say ya permitting so on kasa ansa na wakasa
Because you follow emotions, ma.
Yeah, I think yeah.
No, a lot of people make wrong. They make permanent decisions during times of emotion.
Yeah,
and it's wrong.
Yeah,
but you know, we want to say thank you to you.
Yeah, that's it.
To be honest, Nyamin Shramopa Ejumano is such a good thing you guys are doing, and we need to be listening to you guys more often.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
The
last time you saw Oba, like your story Monday, like it's. I will send you the link. I don't want to say it like the testimonies.
Please do.
I hope dia brain crofo.
Amen.
Na crofo nye ni da so.
Amen.
Now they want to try that Jesus, yes. Reverend Veronica see do the mao no. They also want to try that Jesus because obi wa no nim say asai kra. Nti wo no story na be say wow. Say impo my mistake can be a blessing in the hands of God. Nyame betime dia fa dia ye bibi. Nti nyame nhira mo so say Mudian so sacrifice all the way from East Legon to this place, like
Tema Community
all the way from Tema Community 25 to some of the back don't make Watermelon Street, the traffic Onyame restore. Yeah. Onyame restore mo yentimo anama de anche most oriented from Tema from Tema Community 25 to this place. I mean, we really appreciate you.
We appreciate you
now,
guys too.
Now said the last time I'm some upcoming program be some kaya boso my and I say
dada
my the other one just send us the flyers. We will do the announcement now, and it is your mom Tema.
Thank you.
Pass it through.
Now, phone number is
pass it. Yes, number pass it through. Now, my insurance, the amount, almost said, my insurance, my radio, so no, Yenny Asopa. Thank you.
Yes,
Yamishra. Of course, in person make be glad. Jamaican just say, Obia should pretend. Sometimes, you need to pretend that you can't afford a loaf of bread.
Okay.
By the time everybody realize you own a bakery.
It is a who will be cry, say, and young and more be who say who will be. Tinipa ni mro mo sono.
Now when I own bakery, no. Yeah. Pretend that you can't even afford a loaf of bread.
By the time kakra bon sana gigi fa hu sie.
Sometimes nyame pesa odo hu sie. O pesa odo hu sie. Na wa ye wo foforo fa hu sie de bia na wonenam na obi bebia na wo ho fa hu sie ma obi hu say na de me hu wa chew nyame o ye be ndem wa hawo nso na wo do hu sie de hu chire too much ye de hu chire de bia me ka che ne say me ya kwala picture baby picture ye ntwa me bi o ye ntwa me bi because apa ye wo ye say me mama sododo nti ye ntwa me bi but na ye me ya but me bidru bibi eye me dream when mutus no e ma nya me ya because nyame the reason when ntwa picture nyame na di me sie
come on
because o twa me picture na nko bi hu mi anka de esa nka me bia mo babrabo nka emba so nti so bi wo hana sa na ma me ntwa no baby picture ma nsu because nyame na amma na ntwa sa picture no because destiny owo no nyame amana nsuko so de ka chiro bi anke bi wa ne destiny kra nka wandru bebi anke wanyin kra medu sa nka wawu dada
yeah
nti me fa ne say ma ye me yie
yeah
because mu twa me a nka menti ase because mu try some beku me bebre me kola brim onu kra mo ntwa me picture o
ti dudu owura de fa ho sie
nti e me desa picture no manya bi but me drum bibi ma ka sa me twa me ho picture me fa photographer me gina so itwa na ma bom duku afi me bom duku mo say mo ma no de aboduku no me say we sie
yeah
adu we sie nka mu kun wa che
yeah
nti the mechanic chat one
me das eti for me say Mrs. Siedu Reverend Lawrence Siedu and Reverend Veronica Siedu and yeti wo mon ka no Omufi all the way from Tema Community 25 and about Dome had Watermelon Street and I'm Sompa Rhapsody nti yenia so ankasa Me kona ye the second service jumedi na toso no. Me dia sede ma perfect baby diapers. Se wonya perfect baby diapers e betimi aboa wankasa. Eti abantan ne munhya no nso na perfect baby diapers momfa momoma. Perfect baby diapers is here for you. Ebo protect your baby's delicate skin with soft leak-proof diapers. Agana ha yajiatumu. Perfect baby diapers is for gentle care, perfect comfort, and designed to keep your baby dry all night. Akodabi osuswa na jube brain for perfect baby diapers for bono. Supermarket ahodo, shopping malls ahodo, FDA approved. Perfect baby diapers, Emma rushes, Emma oto. Perfect baby diapers, Emma ubanu susu basa basa. Perfect baby diapers, Emma scent, Emma ubano ho. And dear mummies, are you aware that an inferior diaper can quickly become uncomfortable for your babies? It is a beya kwadane susu basa no through tantrums ne ade na najo now about the perfect baby diapers. Obetimi afre 053 1099889 053 1099889 and 0303 957965 0303 957965 so we do to 053 1099889 053 1099889 perfect baby diapers yajia tum prekope na media sedan so much just bread and pastries or the just hot kenke aba, a convenient, tasty and affordable alternative to the stress of preparing kenke at home. Obesa we kenke party he obetimi order dudu bia ode ope say ye say ye events are sorry for na mpese mo ye kenke party a wo order ba bia wo bia wo de kenke ne beba wo mutimi customize na amount so opesa wo de side opesa wo de fish opesa wo de shito opesa wo de mako ombe ni nyina e de amount na dokru na mu ana ye 3 Ghana cedis per wholesale price na ye 3 Ghana cedis per it will make you order no na wo call Joe's Bakery do me commercial bank echi ho one more na a day just bread and pastries for na day just hot kenke aba eti a yellow corn no and ye dia ye na ye dia prepare e the amount eti bomodi answer be 0256068832 0256068832 make your kenke experience easier, healthier and more profitable with just hot kenke. Na me sorry sokrano a sciatica originator 21st clinic is a witness na to ase ya entine wo sisi chifa to ase wontimu na otwa na opayere sabio mbesha wontentema basahare so na a 21st clinic a sciatica expert a yare sabia yare bi omutimisa sa won krekum gos wo boase ne nyina bi ho fra wo number no sisi ya 0540311311 a 0540311311 21st clinic still wo mo sciatica expert Sompa 106.5 FM Accra client service line no a 0531886216 so pese woni edi djuma pese wo ye enquiries bi pese wo frɛ a 0531886216 053188616 we etie for hane de Sompa Rhapsody djumedie no esie ye frɛ me die nyame hira na Akosua goabo djubetimi so frɛ me Akosua hira me da Reverend Lawrence Asiedu na Reverend Veronica Asiedu ase sɛ no mbesa wo de wo story no